used to say you needed one of these dental kits if you were traveling, but I was wrong. You need these dental kits all the time. If you have a house, if you have a family, if you have you need one of these, because this is my other one. This is a new one. I just had to reorder because this is the one I had, and I depleted it not on a trip, not while traveling, but while I was at home. All of the things except for like 3 or 4 of them are gone. My granddaughter had a tooth that chipped, and we couldn't get her into the pediatric dentist right away, so we used the dental wax that was in here. We used the temporary filling stuff. Things expire too, so you do have to check on that. I've had this one for years and years. You just need to have one of these because it comes with so much that you can use, but it includes all the things you need and a dental first aid instructions. It has oral pain relief, a tea bag that helps with relief also, dental wax, temporary filling, that's what we used for my granddaughter when she was having some issues, temporary cavity mixture, we used that up, cotton pellets, I still have those, cotton rolls, dental floss, and 3 toothpicks. But you need to just have one of these for life because you can't always get right into the dentist when you want to, and you don't want to have to be running out to the drugstore to find something. Check these out for yourself. Keep it in your first aid kit or wherever your first aid kit goes. Plop it in your bag when you're traveling because you never know what's going to happen when you travel either.